Imagine accessing your data, apps, or files anytime, anywhere, without needing a powerful computer. That's the power of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, like storage, servers, databases, and software, over the internet. There are three main types of cloud services. IaaS provides virtual hardware, PaaS offers tools for developers, and SaaS delivers software like Gmail or Netflix. Why use the cloud? It's cost-effective, you pay only for what you use. It's scalable, grow or shrink your resources anytime. And it's accessible, connect from anywhere in the world. From storing files in Google Drive to hosting websites on Amazon Web Services, cloud computing is all around us.